GBMP proudly presents the next powerful installment in the Lean video series, Total Productive Maintenance, Seeing the Invisible.
Do you have issues with your equipment relating to lead time, productivity, downtime, maintenance costs? As you watch this video, you will learn to see the invisible. You will see wasted maintenance. You will see minor defects that plague your equipment. And you also see a simple methodology for approaching zero equipment stoppages.
In this video, brought to you by Bruce Hamilton and the GBMP team, and narrated by John Kravanka, TPM expert, you will learn 4 simple phases that remove the frustration from total productive maintenance.
Is going to create less downtime for us on this mill, which is going to be more tonnage for us, which is going to be more dollars for this company.
It's reduced our OSHA recordable accidents. In combination, our lost work days have come down. Restricted duty accidents have dropped. It's been drastic.
Through graphic examples and fun-to-watch scenes, John demonstrates that our equipment typically runs at shockingly low productivity rates, resulting from breakdowns, setups, idling and minor stoppages, startup losses, reduced speed, and defect production.
Mostedler, I need you to come up and fix another machine that's a higher priority, please. Let's go.
If you had 100 maintenance jobs in your facility, how many of those would be fixing something? And how many would be actually doing preventive maintenance? So you can see as we get out of that, start to get out of that breakdown mode, and 90 jobs out of 100, 80 jobs out of 100, 70 jobs out of 100, because those jobs are 10 times the cost, we can literally reduce maintenance costs while we're driving up productivity if we do it the right way.
John demonstrates the drawbacks of running in the breakdown mode, where confusion, frustration, and the adversarial relationship are in control. He shows us how to save surprisingly large percentages of our existing maintenance costs, money we can then feed back into our maintenance department in a self-sustaining, self-growing process that yields compounding results.
We actually had our production increase over the time frame that we started the TPM process, and it was easy for me to convince my boss that there is merit in this.
In Phase 1, John shows us how to stabilize the failure interval by getting our equipment back to its original condition. Next, we learn to boost our equipment's productivity by correcting design weaknesses and attacking the easy-to-fix but recurring and often invisible problems that decrease our efficiency. Then, John maps out the path to maintenance excellence with concepts like maintenance mapping and condition-based maintenance. And finally, we learn to predict the equipment life using predictive tools only after we've harvested the low-hanging fruit of the other 3 phases. Ideas like proper lubrication, contamination prevention, daily inspection, equipment visuals, maintenance history, skills matrices, lubrication excellence, and standard work are all put in clear, straightforward terms.
Equipment visuals could be marking gauges with a green overlay so we know immediately what the pressure should be. It could be marking lube levels. Do we collect good failure history? Typically across the United States, we do not collect good history. So a countermeasure would say, how do we keep that motor from becoming contaminated again?
In true GBMP style, the video creates a series of aha moments in the mind of the viewer, bringing us to the understanding that we have a variety of good opportunities in front of us right now to cut the waste from our maintenance process and to win more buy-in from our employees.
Where'd this come from? It's a great piece of equipment. I was in a hurry and I had to order. This is a complete different make than our other ones. Why didn't you stay with the same make? So we have extra parts in that for it.
Involving maintenance up front when you purchase equipment is very important because they'll be able to help you standardize the components and avoid some of the problems of how difficult it is to access valves and various components, get them more accessible so when the machine comes in, it is very easily maintained and it's standardized with what is in the rest of the factory.
The video contains a wealth of powerful ideas. As you and your employees put these ideas into action, you'll watch your measures for safety, productivity, quality, maintenance, and energy costs and environmental measures all move in the right direction. This is the 10x power of total productive maintenance. Do one thing and get 10 results. And that's what makes TPM and this video a very powerful lean tool.